Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center. I am here with my man, Mason. And what? How many visits ago we've been talking about videotaping you getting adjusted?
It's been 5 or 6 at least.
So this time, we remembered to videotape, so here we go. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and lay down.
All right.
And here we go. You getting this, Andy? So let me just come over here. Take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time. This side up. Let's fix this. You're so quiet. Nice and relaxed. Relax it all the way. Face the other way. Are you getting all the sound effects?
You should probably get in closer for that. Or get a nice microphone, that'll do the trick.
Nice and relaxed all the way. I'm sure you got that one on your back.
Oh.
And here we go for the neck.
Get them in close. It'll be
This
better.
is for all the requests on YouTube. People asking me if I videotape people getting adjusted, so that's to satisfy those. Right, man, what's going on here?
I don't know, what's up?
I don't know, who were with you? Relax it. That was so good.
It's been longer than usual, so...
Nice and relaxed. Chin up.
Oh.
That was a good one.
That's the
Your
hard to reach
occiput.
one.
That was your occiput. So just reminding everyone that not every chiropractic adjustment requires all this cracking noise, though that's my favorite. How about you?
It feels pretty good.
How about you, Andy?
It's pretty good.
All right, thanks for watching.